Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but that I find very interesting, answering a question that you have left me. Can a turbo, with a little play in its shaft, make the engine loses a lot of power, and at the same time the engine revolutions are limited? In principle, no. The problem can come from the turbo, yes, but not from the turbine shaft. That the turbine shaft has some play, yes, this can take away some power from the engine. It can cause the oil to leak out when there is that excess clearance. The oil can escape from the turbo towards the intake. But without further ado, if you are losing power, and in addition, the revolutions are limited, it is because the ECU, the engine computer, is protecting the engine, and that other thing. It would be more likely that outside, if it really was a turbo problem, it would be because the variable geometry of the turbo is clogged. And the ECU, the car computer, the turbo pressure cannot be controlled. Not even by deactivating the turbo solenoid valve, because it is clogged in maximum pressure mode, for example. Then what it does is inject less fuel, and that is why the revolutions are limited. That would be more likely than a problem of clogged variable geometry, or even in turbos with fixed geometry, than the wastegate. It could be that the wastegate is stuck, but it could also be the turbo actuator, which has problems. This is in case it is a problem with the turbo, but there you would have to go to the diagnosis machine, because it could be an injection failure, and that is why it is being limited. It could be an EGR failure, it could be a blockage in the FA-PDPF anti-particulate filter, but I already said that it is very, very unlikely that because it has some shaft clearance turbine, the engine loses a lot of power, and at the same time the revolutions are limited. Check this other thing. Well, here I leave you this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.